Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers here in YouTube. I appreciate it all. For those who don't know me yet, I am Nera Flor Pastor. I am trying to create new ideas here in my channel. Hope you like it. I want to share my experience here in Hong Kong. For you, my subscriber, Patrick Christopher, thank you so much. You asked me where I am. I am from Philippines. I am 41 years old. Currently working in Hong Kong as a domestic helper. Even I am a graduate college, but I'm proud to go somewhere and everywhere in the world. Before, I went in Kuwait, next in Riyadh, next in Dubai. Now, I'm happily here experienced in Hong Kong. Thank you so much to my sponsor, and thank you so much for the next journey in my life. That's all. Thank you, because I have worked few minutes talking to introduce my short life to my subscriber. Bye-bye.